Yes. This is how our military academies are called.
And his name is?
Apostolski. Thank you for your first. A quite long period without the Secretary General of NATO being present in this building. So sometimes that actually even the optimists were surprised that it is important for the political and military alliance such as NATO. So let me also welcome your team. We are really privileged that, and it is a very fortunate and a very efficient system in which